Introducing Wondrous Logo, a massive array of more than 150 wondrous logos animated with dazzling animations that you can use to create high-impact branding for any business. These wondrous logos are not your ordinary dull, static logos, but they are designed with astonishing animations that will leave a lasting impact on your viewers. The Wondrous Logo boasts crazy values, and here's just a glimpse of what you'll get inside. 1. A huge assortment of more than 150 wondrous logos meshed with alluring animations that you can use to create powerful branding for any business. 2. These logos not only look gorgeous but are also fully customizable. You can edit the text and customize every element of the logo using just PowerPoint. 3. The wondrous logos are delicately designed with contemporary modern flair, meshed with energized animations that are perfect for different businesses in any industry. 4. The wondrous logos also offer amazing versatility, as you can use them in all types of occasions, such as business branding, creating intro or outro for any videos, YouTube channel branding, and many more. Now don't just take our word for it, take a glance at some of the amazing wondrous logos included in the package and see how awesome they look. These are only a tiny glimpse of what you'll get inside. With the Wondrous Logo Bundle, you'll get more than 150 wondrous logos meshed with striking animations. So check out more details below and don't miss out.